Yada dilke jike da no thinigi ade da isinoltsagi. Get ready to accomplish goals and achieve success by becoming a warrior here at Dine College. The upcoming summer and fall 2024 semesters are open for registration now. Whether you're a first-time, transfer, or continuing student, Dine College is geared up to ensure that you receive the best possible education. This year's first summer session kicks off and fall semester begins August 12th. Don't miss out on the chance to learn and thrive with the many opportunities and resources available to you at our many campuses and microsites. For more information or to apply online, visit dinecollege.edu now or contact the Office of Admissions by calling 928-724-6634 and take the first step in securing your future.